Before you take another breath, let me tell you something urgently, honestly, and with every bit of respect I have for you. If you are over 65 and walking is the only exercise you rely on, you may be accidentally weakening the very muscles that protect your independence, your balance, and your freedom. I know that sounds shocking. I know it sounds unbelievable. But thousands of seniors today are discovering the truth in the hardest way possible, realizing too late that walking alone does not prevent muscle loss, does not rebuild strength, and does not protect them from the hidden dangers waiting in their daily routines. Walking is beautiful, it is peaceful, it is heart healthy, but after 65, your muscles become deaf to it. They stop responding, stop strengthening, stop growing, because the stimulus is simply too soft, too gentle, too familiar. That is why a person can walk every day and still struggle to get out of a chair, still lose balance in the shower, still fear stairs, still feel their legs weakening year after year. But today, the Seniors Hub is giving you something so much more powerful. 3 surgeon-approved exercises that beat walking, rebuild strength fast, restore balance, awaken sleeping muscles, and protect your independence like nothing else you've ever tried. And once you understand how these movements work inside your body, you will never again underestimate the quiet power hidden within them. My friend, the truth is simple but life-changing. Your strength is your freedom. Your legs are not just limbs, they are your foundation, your stability, your protection. They have carried decades of memories, thousands of miles, countless burdens, joys, routines, and responsibilities. But after 65, they need a different kind of care, a smarter signal, a stronger challenge, a new kind of wake-up call. And that's what these 3 movements deliver. Not long workouts, not complicated routines, not heavy weights, just 10 minutes, just your body, just consistent effort that rewires your balance, reignites your strength, and gives your muscles a message so loud they can't ignore it. If you're ready, let's begin with the movement that could quite literally save your independence, the sit-to-stand. The sit-to-stand, also known as the chair squat, is not just an exercise, it is a lifeline. It is the daily reminder that you are strong, capable, and still in control of your mobility. Imagine standing in front of a sturdy chair, feet shoulder-width apart, your body tall and steady. As you lower yourself down, slowly, deliberately, with control, your muscles come alive. Your thighs engage, your hips activate, your core tightens, your balance sharpens, your glutes turn on like dormant engines reconnecting with your brain. And then, the moment you push through your heels and rise back up, you send a surge of strength straight through your nervous system, increasing your power, your stability, your ability to stand up without help. Studies show this one movement alone can reduce fall risk by up to 50% because it rewires your brain-muscle connection, strengthens the exact muscles needed for walking, climbing stairs, using the bathroom safely, and catching yourself if you slip. Start with just 5 repetitions 3 times a week. It might feel difficult at first, it might feel like a challenge, but with each rise, you are reclaiming something priceless, your independence. But strength alone is not enough. The upper body, the chest, the shoulders, the arms, all of these muscles matter far more than people realize. Because when you need to brace yourself, catch yourself, steady yourself, or push up from bed or a chair, those are the muscles that protect you. That's where the wall push-up comes in. Stand an arm's length from the wall, place your palms flat, then slowly lower your chest toward the wall. Feel your elbows bending, feel your chest tightening, feel your shoulders stabilizing. This simple movement awakens the upper body in a gentle but powerful way. It strengthens the triceps that help you push up from the couch. It builds the chest muscles that support posture. It trains your shoulders to work symmetrically, reducing stiffness, improving alignment, and giving you the power to brace yourself if you lose balance. Aim for 8 to 10 repetitions. Each one is a message to your body. I am still strong. I am still capable. I am still here. And now we move to the most overlooked, underrated, yet deeply essential movement for seniors, the standing march with arm swing. This is not about cardio. This is about balance, rhythm, coordination, and the brain-to-muscle communication that keeps you safe every single day. Hold the back of a sturdy chair for light support. Lift your right knee gently toward your hip, swing your left arm, then switch. Slow, steady, controlled. As you do this, something extraordinary happens. Your core activates, your hip stabilizers engage, your spine aligns, your balance mechanism sharpens, and your mind and body begin working together in harmony again. This exercise mimics real-life movement. It strengthens your walking pattern, it reduces shuffling, it improves step length, and it trains your brain to stay alert, responsive, and stable. Do it for 30 seconds, rest, then repeat 2 more times. These small moments create massive changes. When you combine these 3 movements, sit to stand, wall push-ups, and standing march, you create a powerful system that walking alone cannot provide. Walking works your heart, but it does not challenge your muscles enough to reverse age-related muscle loss. Walking is gentle, predictable, repetitive. Your muscles adapt and stop growing from it. But these 3 exercises deliver something different: resistance, activation, stimulation, and coordination. They tell your muscles, wake up. They tell your nerves, fire faster. They tell your joints, move with intention. They tell your brain, stay sharp. And slowly, week by week, your strength returns, your balance improves, your confidence rises, and the fear that hid in the back of your mind, the fear of falling, the fear of losing independence, the fear of becoming a burden, begins to fade. My friend, let me tell you something that every surgeon knows, but not every senior hears. Strength is more important than speed. Longevity is more influenced by muscle mass than by daily step counts. Balance improves more from targeted movement than from long-distance walking. Independence is protected more by strong legs, strong glutes, strong core, and strong arms than by tracking miles on your phone. And the good news? Your body can rebuild muscle at any age. Whether you are 65, 75, 85, or beyond, your muscles are still listening. They can still grow. They can still strengthen. They can still reshape themselves in response to the right stimulus. And these 3 exercises, the surgeon-approved trio, give your body exactly what it needs to awaken again. Think about what this means. Think about being able to stand up from your chair without pushing with your hands. Think about walking with confidence instead of caution. Think about stepping into the shower without fear. Think about traveling again, playing with grandchildren again, bending again, living again without the heavy weight of worry pulling at your spirit. This is not just exercise, this is freedom training. This is strength restoration. This is your comeback, and it begins the moment you decide to start. I want you to try something right now. Wherever you are, stand up and do just 1 sit to stand. Feel your legs engage. Feel your balance shift. Feel your body responding. That feeling, that tiny spark, is your first step back to real functional strength. That is your body saying, "Thank you for choosing me again." That is your future self whispering, "Keep going." And if this message from the Seniors Hub has touched you, helped you, motivated you, or awakened something inside you, then please comment below with the words, "I'm starting today." I read every message, I feel every story, and knowing that you are choosing strength again inspires me to keep creating more for you. If you found value in this video, please like it, because that small gesture helps YouTube show it to more seniors who desperately need this message. And if you haven't subscribed to the Seniors Hub yet, please do, because next week I'm revealing the #1 protein mistake destroying muscle in seniors over 65. And trust me, you do not want to miss that life-changing lesson. Finally, share this with someone you love, a parent, a neighbor, a friend, a spouse. They might believe it's too late, but you and I both know that is not true. Strength is not about age. Strength is about choosing to rise again, and today, you made that choice. Your journey back to power begins now. The Seniors Hub is with you every step of the way.